Hey guys, it's WQ0A. Well, I have been out in the past few days trying to figure out this whole amateur radio satellite communication bit. I've had an elk log periodic antenna for a while, and I knew I wanted to get an ICOM 2730, the 2730 alpha. Got that going, and my first 3 or 4 attempts were a bust. You can see a little bit of frustration in my demeanor with these couple clips. Negative Ghost Rider. I don't feel like I'm making it in. I got the tone set correctly. I feel like I'm doing everything right. I'll recheck stuff. Whiskey, Quebec, 0 Alpha, Echo Mike 29. Whiskey, Quebec, 0 Alpha, EM 29.
Specialist station, Kilo to Juliet, QRZ.
It's like my third try at getting a satellite contact. And yeah, who knows? So as you can imagine, I was a little bit down and out about making several tries at the amateur radio satellite communication gig. So after a few changes in the radio and knowing that the International Space Center was going to be flying by tonight, grabbed my gear, I ran back out there to give it another go. And my daughter was just coming home from work, and that was cool because she'd come up and I'm like, hey, the International Space Center's coming right now. You see it? I go, I'm going to make a contact with the ham radio operator through its repeater. I said, you want to stick around and watch it? She's like, oh, okay, whatever, But secretly, she's kind of an NASA buff. She loves astronauts, and so she'd like to be an astronaut herself. So she stuck around. Well, I didn't get to videotape this because it was dark outside. I wanted to be able to record my first satellite contact. Didn't get video, but I got audio. So I'm going to go ahead and share this audio with you. And I hope you enjoy it because it was kind of fun.
It's Radio Sierra X-Ray, DM13 on ISS.
Oh, wow. Okay. There it is right there. Whiskey, Quebec, 0 Alpha, Echo Mike 29.
November 5, RJN, DM78 on ISS.
November 5, RJN, Whiskey, Quebec, 0 Alpha, Echo Mike 29, QSL.
X-Ray, DM13. Kilo 1, Romeo, Foxtrot Golf, EM26. It's almost straight overhead.
Kilo 1 station, Whiskey, Quebec, 0 Alpha.
AMK. Kilo 1, Romeo, Foxtrot Golf. Kilo 1.
Kilo 1, Romeo, Foxtrot Golf, Whiskey, Quebec, 0 Alpha, Echo Mike 29. Do you copy?
Copy, 73. Echo Mike 26.
Copy, Echo Mike 26. Whiskey Quebec 0 Alpha.
0 Alpha from
Echo Mike 29.
W0WQS.
Oh, I finally got one.
KA0 JMK.
KA0JMK, Whiskey Quebec 0 Alpha, Echo Mike 29. That was fun. I got my first satellite contact.
Well, there you have it. That second gentleman that was trying to contact me, I just could not get the whole full circle QSO. There was a lot of people trying to get on. It was a bit chaotic, and I guess that's just the way it is with satellite radio. You gotta give and you gotta take. So you try not to step on people, and they try not to step on you, but it just happens sometimes. So, Pat, I will get you next time, hopefully on the next run. And John, Kilo 1 Romeo Foxtrot Golf. He was fun, and I'm so glad that he was my first contact on satellite. Yeah, this is a little bit of addictive situation. But you know what? It doesn't really take that much. I, had my elk antenna, and I got the ICOM 2730 Alpha. We made it happen, little 6-foot coax patch, and go out there and have fun. So, yeah. And then my daughter got to watch it. She thought it was pretty cool. Yeah, it was a good time. So, well, I'm going to wrap it up. Thank you so much. You can give me a like if you want. You can even subscribe if you want to. I mean, that wouldn't hurt me one bit. 7-3, have a great week. Take care.